Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about it's gonna be my 50th video I have put out. I would never thought about um um I would get this this far in YouTube. It is seriously a lot of videos. If you guys have don't know what's this the channel about, I do a lot of food tasting, do reviews on Oriental foods, and I do a lot of unboxing figures, toys and things. I like to unbox, mystery candies too. Before I was getting one or two views, sometimes I get 4. Now I'm getting almost 10, views a day, on a daily basis. I cannot make any videos, every time, on a daily basis, so I have to, I work, 12 hours a day, so yep. I am very busy. Okay guys, thank you for watching.